Hi folks, welcome back to the second part of how to edit demos using Fable. So now let's check what other fantastic features Fable has to offer us and the personal reasons I like HTML demos. Alright, so let's go here. And for now, let's see if we can change this text name over here and this image. So let's go on edit. Let's select the text here and let's change this to Mark Zuckerberg, for example. All right, now let's see if we can change this image. Okay, replace image means we can replace the image. Show element means if we can do this and this. Blur element means we can blur the element wherever we want. For example, if you're recording a demo and you don't want to show a certain person's email ID, you can blur it out. Mask element is uploading a mask image on another image or element per se. So let's go here. I'll be choosing Mark Zuckerberg's DP. You can upload it from your files. I will select 720 pixels. Let's save this and let's see another magic happen. There we go. Okay, now let's talk about another interesting feature. So let's click on annotation again. So this is called the advanced element picker. So say I want to highlight something about this part. Okay, I click this, but I don't really want this. I want the whole thing, including the tick box. So then I hope you guys can see this part down over here. Okay, so this is called the advanced element picker, where I can choose the exact region I want to highlight. And then I'm going to click over here. That's it. That's what I want. Right. And sometimes you might make a mistake while you're recording the demo, the flow of it. So there are two ways where you can reorder the screens of the demo. One is to the canvas where you just manually reorder it like this. So F5 will now become F4, F4 will become F5. And another way is to use these. So I'm going to click over here. I'm going to take this and say F4 like that. That's it. All right. Thank you, folks. Stay tuned for the next part of this how to edit demos using Fable. Thank you.